name is Lindsay and I am the creator and owner of the online swim school. With almost 11 years teaching experience in the UAE, London and multiple locations across the UK, I have created an online platform which is accessible to anyone and everyone, and even enables carers to teach their own children how to swim. The online swim school works around you and your already busy schedules. Watch tutorial videos in your own time and at your pace. The online swim school has created a 10-week course designed for your little one's age group, with a step-by-step guide in how to make your little one water confident, enjoy the water, and all that with no rushing for that set swimming lesson time. So many carers, when I speak to them, don't know where to start when it comes to swimming, and that's where we come in. The online platform includes videos of what to take with you to the pool, what to wear, even how to enter the pool safely. We will be with you every step of the way and give you all the tools and skills you need to feel ease and happy to teach your little one how to swim and say, "We did it!" Being a mum to my 2-year-old boy, I knew my goal had to be that if he fell into water and got himself into difficulty, could he get himself back to the side and climb out? Even with lockdown in the way and no access to a pool, with my swimming knowledge, my boy can do just that. Which is why I'm so excited to share this with you. Don't we all want our children to be safe around water? Don't get me wrong, we've all had those moments where our child refuses to have a bath, shower, or even have water over their face. But be reassured that these are phases and to keep going with the process and you will see results. And just look at him now. I'm so looking forward to sharing with you my experiences as a mum and teacher and give you swimming tips along the way, including how to create a confident and happy little swimmer. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin.